I saw this really cool idea in a Facebook post and thought it would be really cool to make for my baby's room. I have a cloud theme and I thought it would be cool to make a cloud. I may change it up in the future too, but that's the good thing about this DIY is that you can make anything you want. So let's get started. For this DIY you'll need paper, string, and a marker, 16 gauge jewelry wire, and a wire cutter, neon lights, I found these on Amazon, and a hot glue gun. Draw out a phrase or a shape that you want to make. Trace the shape with the string and use the string to help you measure out how much of the wire you'll need. Then use the string to measure out the wire and cut the wire. Now bend the wire into the shape that you chose and use the hot glue gun to attach the neon light to the wire. Do this in small sections so that everything will stick into place. If you have any excess neon light showing, you can cover it with white duct tape, and you can hang it on your wall with a wall hook. And you're done! Thanks so much for watching my newest video. If you liked it, let me know, and check back every Friday for a new video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. See you again soon! Bye!